Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds.
Start. Every seizure made in pursuance of the provisions of subsection 1 of section 5 shall be made in the manner hereinafter provided in these rules. Full stop. The authorized officer seizing any advertisements or articles under subsection 1 of section 5 shall prepare a list of such advertisements or articles containing such details relating to the description, quality, quantity, mark, number and other particulars thereof as he may consider relevant to the identify of such advertisements or articles in any proceeding under the Act, in the form annexed to these rules. Full stop. The authorized officer shall pack and seal such advertisements or articles in the manner provided in Rule 4 and shall deliver a copy of the list so prepared to the person from whom such advertisements or articles are seized. Full stop. The advertisements or articles so seized shall be marked with a distinguishing number and shall also be signed by the authorized officer, the person from whom such advertisements or articles have been seized and to respectable inhabitants of the locality. Full stop. If it is not possible to mark such advertisement or article, the making may be done on the packaging or in any other manner, which the authorized officer thinks proper. Full stop. The advertisements or articles seized shall be packed in adequately strong paper, cloth or any other packing material in such a way that the advertisements or articles may not be tampered with and the ends of the paper, cloth or other packing material shall be neatly folded and affixed by means of gum. Full stop. Notwithstanding anything contained in Rule 3 and 4, where the authorized officer is of the opinion that it is not possible to seize and seal any advertisement or article in the manner prescribed in Rules 3 and 4 due to the siege or the nature of such advertisement or article, he may take such steps as he thinks fit for the seizure and sealing of such advertisement or article without affecting the integrity. Full stop. The state government may, by order and subject to such conditions as it may deem fit to impose, direct that the powers of the collector or the district magistrate under section 6 may also be exercised by such other officers not below the rank of the village officers. Full stop. Every prohibitory order under section 6 shall be made by beat or drum or other customary mode, in the concerned village, or in case of town or city, in the locality in which the act prohibited is likely to occur or has been placed. Full stop. The prohibitory order shall be displayed at some conspicuous place in the area or areas to which such acts relates, and a copy thereof shall also be displayed in the office of the officer issuing the prohibitory order, and such display shall be taken as a sufficient notice to all persons concerned in the area or areas to which such relates. Full stop. Before making any order under subsection 1 of section 7, the state government shall give at least 90 days notice to the person. Full stop. Over.